Because if we come back, you're gonna get.
Hey, we got a fight over there.
You got a gun. He's got a gun on the beach. Hey, motherfucker! Drop the fucking gun! Hey! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun, motherfucker! Drop the fucking gun, motherfucker!
Go to your car! Go!
For the tower 409. 409. Tower 409. John, watch your cover. You ever get a car, Sarge? You ever get a car over here?
Have a car.
I need to block off Flagler. I need some marked units getting these people out of here. Hey, wait! You may have another gun. Do not advance. Do not advance. 1 Alpha 10 Central. Air 1, I need a K9. I need units to clear the beach. He threw one gun in the water. I don't know if he has another one. Hey! New Smyrna! Cover! Cover, grab your rifle. That's fine. That's fine.
Hey, go stand. Go get
Doors
your
out.
car.
Grab another car. I'm gonna go grab another car. Go grab John's car.
Stand. Go get your truck.
You can bring one down here. My biggest concern right now is the backdrop of all the people. I need the beach cleared the best we can behind Tower 409. I need a third car to come up to New Smyrna officers so they have cover. Hey, go down there for cover.
Hey, Stan, go over there.
I got AR. He's walking towards us with his hands up. Jenkins, give commands.
JTA? Al, do you want me to switch to less?
What?
You want me to switch to less lethal?
Yes, I need one.
Keep your head!
Show me your hands! Walk towards me! Walk towards me!
PA? Yeah, PA?
Hey! Hey! Stop! Turn around!
Stop where you are. Turn around. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Walk back towards me slowly.
We have compliance.
Keep walking backwards.
He's taking verbal command. Stand by.
Keep walking. Stop right there. Stop. Keep your hands in the air. Drop your belt. Drop your belt. Turn around. Face away. Keep your hands up. Keep walking back. All right, keep walking backwards. Keep your hands in the air. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Stand!
Keep coming.
Stan, you're receiving. I got you.
Stop. Stop walking.
I got you. Never mind.
Drop to your knees. Drop to your knees. On your knees. Put your hands on top of your head. Keep up your knees.
Back up! Back up! Everybody back up! 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 Jenkins!
watch that black bag that he dropped in there.